This is the Eco Egg Laundry Egg. It completely replaces washing detergent. It contains no harsh chemicals, it's great for delicate skin, great for the environment, and it will save you lots of money too. It's available in gently fragranced and fragrance-free versions, and it's been independently scientifically tested and proven to outperform our closest competitor brands for stain removal. And you don't need anything else, no powder, no liquid, just the laundry egg. You simply place it into the drum of your machine on top of your laundry and run your cycle as normal. It's so simple to use and it works in all types of washing machines. It's safe on all fabrics and you can use it on all temperatures up to and including 60 degrees Celsius. You can also use it for hand washing if you let it soak in the water for about 5 minutes before popping your clothes in. So how does it work? Well, it's not the egg itself that does the cleaning, it's the pellets inside. There's 2 types of natural mineral pellets inside the egg that work together to give you that powerful cleaning result. It's powerful and effective, but it's also great for delicate skin too. In fact, we're so proud to have received the Allergy Friendly Product Award from Allergy UK. It's hypoallergenic and dermatologically tested, so rest assured it's gentle on your skin. Here we have 2 identical baby grows. The only difference is this one's been washed with the Eco Egg Laundry Egg and this one's been washed with normal washing powder. I've got 2 bowls of water here. I'm going to pop these into the water and give them a bit of a squeeze. And what you'll start to see is the one that's been washed with that normal detergent has really turned that water cloudy and murky. Now that's the chemical residue which will get trapped in the fibres of your clothing during the wash cycle. But with the Eco Egg Laundry Egg, look at that water, it remains relatively clear because the Eco Egg Laundry Egg contains no harsh chemicals and it leaves significantly less residue on your clothes. So that's less chemicals going down the drain and on your skin too. And if you are particularly sensitive to fragrance, we recommend using the fragrance-free laundry egg for a completely unfragranced wash. So it's not just great for delicate skin, it's kinder to the environment too. If you normally use liquid detergent, just look at all the plastic bottles that you would be using over the life of just one laundry egg, which, by the way, is recyclable. So it works. It'll save you so much money. It's kinder for delicate skin and for the environment too. So that's the Eco Egg Laundry Egg, the complete replacement for laundry detergent. And don't forget, with all our products, we offer our amazing love it or return it guarantee. If you don't love it, you can return it within 30 days for a full refund, no questions asked. Plus, all Eco Egg Laundry Egg non-consumable parts are guaranteed for a full 10 years. If you have any questions or would like any more information, feel free to get in touch. We'd love to hear from you.